Welcome to Hangzhou. Today we're here to do some water rafting. Actually, we're gonna do it tomorrow because we just arrived today in the afternoon. So I will bring you guys tomorrow and see what it looks like to do water rafting here in Hangzhou. So Hangzhou is just 2 hours away from Nanjing. We drove the bus together with the other friends and relatives, and we booked into one of the hotels that's located very close to the water rafting area. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Our destination, the captivating Longjing Gorge Drifting, nestled within the enchanting embrace of the Dalong Bay Scenic Area. But this is no ordinary spot. It's a hidden gem found in the heart of Hangzhou, a jewel within the crown of Zhejiang Province. I said earlier that we are staying in a hotel, but it is actually a bed and breakfast or homestay. It is a family house transformed in a homestay. There are many accommodations like this in this area. You will have to choose in advance the most visited accommodation. I like the room we booked. It is very clean and decent. The view from the rooftop is breathtaking, and the cats here makes it more a home. They even have some interesting items here. The calendar is made of bottle caps and rubbish bin with the label looser. I would like to get one of these. Room tour. 2 beds, a chandelier.
And then this bed is super good, you see?
Is it soft? Yeah. That's what you do when you arrive the first day at the room. The following day, after a hearty breakfast around 10 in the morning, we eagerly departed from our accommodations, setting our sights on the much-anticipated Longjing Gorge Drifting adventure. Upon arrival, a waiting shuttle stood ready to ferry us to the initial segment of the drifting experience. A vital note, youngsters measuring below 4 feet in height unfortunately aren't eligible for the whitewater rafting escapade. Safety takes precedence, and as such, each and every participant is required to wear a life vest, a safeguard against the thrills that lay ahead. The art of drifting, though exhilarating beyond measure, demands a certain level of vigilance, particularly if you have little ones in tow. Portions of the course boast swift currents that demand our utmost attention. Fret not, for no paddling prowess is necessary. The natural flow of the stream carries us effortlessly through every twist and turn. As each section concludes, a helpful hand appears to guide our inflatable rafts to the subsequent dam or passage, ensuring a seamless progression. Do not forget to bring a ladle. It is useful than the water gun. You can tell if you are coming here in a big group. Throwing or splashing water to people you know is a fun activity. Don't do this to strangers, as it may cause trouble. One of the primary reasons I am drawn to travel and explore different destinations is the pursuit of relaxation and stress relief away from the urban chaos. Nestled within the western expanse of Zhejiang lies the Dalong Bay Scenic Spot, an extension of the majestic Huangshan Mountain. This haven boasts deep canyons, lush forests, cascading waterfalls resembling delicate curtains, and crystalline streams that flow with pristine clarity, rendering it a veritable natural oxygen bar. The embrace of the forest and the melody of the stream create an invigorating symphony of balm for the weary soul. The water quality of the Longjing Gorge rafting experience is so exceptional that one can even catch glimpses of fish and shrimps navigating its limpid currents. Rafting isn't the sole activity you can partake in here. Visitors have the freedom to swim, skip stones, and enjoy playful water interaction with friends and family, thanks to the gentle nature of the stream. Nathan is definitely enjoying this. He is swimming and playing with his cousins. Even the little puppy knows how to enjoy the summer.
Good boy.
你哈什么哈？有一个小哈哈，哈哈哈。这个，我现在区域就是。我的